In our last video, we talked about how to write more effective prompts. One of the questions we left you with was, what's something you've been avoiding because you're not sure where to start? If you ever felt stuck on a decision or needed a sounding board to help think through a problem, today's video is for you. We'll show you how to use Copilot as a thought partner through a technique called prompt chaining. Sometimes, all it takes is a quick brainstorming session or a second opinion to get unstuck. The challenge is that a sounding board isn't always available when you need one. That's where AI can help. Instead of asking a single question and moving on, you can have an ongoing conversation that builds towards a goal. This approach is called prompt chaining. Prompt chaining means guiding AI through a series of connected prompts where each prompt builds on the response before. It's a great way to explore ideas, compare options, solve problems, and turn rough concepts into actionable plans. To follow along, think of a challenge you'd like help solving. Maybe there's a project you've been putting off, a business decision you're struggling with, or an opportunity you're not sure how to pursue. Open your preferred AI tool and try this exercise with me. For this example, imagine I own an ice cream shop and want to expand my business offerings. My first prompt is, I want to expand my ice cream shop offerings. Act as my business advisor and suggest 3 complementary services we could provide. Copilot gives me 3 potential ideas and explains why each one could fit my business. That's helpful, but I'm looking for something I can launch quickly. So my next prompt is, which of these options could realistically be launched within 6 months? Now, Copilot isn't giving me new ideas. It's helping me evaluate the ideas we've already discussed. It explains which option could be implemented fastest and why others may require more time, investment, or planning. Once I've chosen an option, I can move to my next prompt. If we decide to move forward with ice cream cakes, what task should I complete this week? Now, Copilot creates an action plan with specific next steps and priorities. In just 3 prompts, I've gone from a broad goal to a concrete plan of action. That's the power of prompt chaining. Instead of expecting AI to solve everything in one prompt, you guide it step by step, building toward the outcome you're looking for. Next time you're stuck on a project, decision, or idea, try using AI as a thought partner. You may be surprised how quickly a challenge becomes a plan.